In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get AWS credentials efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting with AWS, having access to these credentials is critical for managing your cloud resources effectively. First things first, let's kick it off by opening up your preferred web browser and typing AWS into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you should see the AWS homepage as your top result. Click on that link to proceed and let it load. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the main AWS dashboard. Now, if you haven't already logged in, here's what you need to do next. Use your IAM username and password to sign in. It's important to use an IAM user account rather than the root account for best security practices. Once you've logged in, you're greeted with the AWS Management Console. It's here where all the magic happens. Let's move on to the next step. Take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your username displayed, which acts as a gateway to a menu of security settings. Click on your username, and from the drop-down menu, choose My Security Credentials. This section is vital because it holds all the key information you need about your AWS credentials. Now, before we go any further, it's a good idea to check on the security of your current password. Changing your password regularly is a simple but effective way to enhance your account's security. Head over to the option that allows you to change your password for signing into the console. Follow the on-screen instructions to set a new password. Make sure it's strong by including numbers, symbols, and a mix of upper and lowercase letters. With your password sorted, it's time to focus on generating new access keys for programmatic access. This is particularly useful if you plan to work with AWS CLI or SDKs. In the My Security Credentials section, find the option to create new access keys. Click to generate a new access key pair. Now, it's critical to download and store your secret access key securely. Remember, this key is displayed only once during creation. Ensuring that you have it safely tucked away is non-negotiable. With your access keys ready, you're now set up to use AWS services programmatically. This concludes our quick guide on obtaining AWS credentials. Remember, keeping your credentials secure is just as important as the setup process itself, so make it a habit to review and update your credentials regularly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other guides for more AWS tips and tricks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Happy cloud computing, happy cloud!